Hey guys, it's Michelle with Adventure Mentality, and today we're continuing on with our website tutorial on the Walt Disney World website. Today we're going to do the Shop tab. It's quick and easy, and let's get started. So the Shop Disney tab is a place where you're going to be able to get some park merchandise. You have new arrivals, custom t-shirts, all the parks products, or a Disney gift card. There's also a link where you can see all the Walt Disney World shops and the Disney Springs shops. You can go to Shop Disney, which is their online store. So let's just kind of look. So it's their online Shop Disney store. Right now they've got a deal with free shipping on orders of $75 or more. They have spotlights, clothing, accessories, toys, stuff for your home, just your basic online shopping portal. So we all know that when you go on vacation, you like to buy things, you like to buy shirts, you like to buy jackets, you like to buy toys. Well, I don't like to buy toys, but your kids like to buy toys and little trinkets that they might break or things that they're only going to wear once. And so it's kind of hard for me personally to put the money down on different things. But if you know you're going to want something in particular, for instance, under accessories, you can come over here and find ear hats and headbands. Now you're not going to find all of the same ears that you will find in the parks, but there are quite a few options to look at. Some new ones. Ooh, that one's cute. Let's click on it. Very cute. So you can peruse this website for different things that you would use in the parks. Like I said, you won't find everything that they have in the parks, but they do have a pretty decent selection. Back up to the top. Toys. Your kids like toys. Clothing. Costumes. If you know your kids are going to want something before you go, it might be a good option for you because a lot of times you can get deals on this page. All right, so let's go ahead and go back. You can buy Disney gift cards, which are fun ways to let your kids have a specific amount of money in the parks. You can do by email, which is always good, or by mail if you think far ahead enough. And they work just like a debit card. There's also a website called Disney Gift Card where you can check the balance on your cards, or you can also transfer a balance to a different card. This is a good website to keep in mind if you have Disney gift cards and you're not sure of the balance, or you want to put it all on one so you don't have a million different gift cards to carry. Also buy gift cards here, and they are different designs. So a good tip for Disney gift cards. And we'll come back up here to the shop tab and look at all the Disney World shops. You can filter by the type of merchandise. You can also filter by the location, theme parks, water parks, resorts. Let's go to Black Spire Outfitters, which is one of the stores in Galaxy's Edge. On this page, it'll just kind of show you the hours, the location, some things to know before you go, and what they sell, apparel and accessories. And you can just kind of look at all the different stores. There are tons. Whoa! There's lots of shops at Disney World. They're not all created equal. They're not all going to have the same things. So one tip that I would give, if you see something that you like, don't assume that you can get it elsewhere. There are certain souvenirs that are in certain locations only. There are ride-specific souvenirs and character-specific souvenirs that you're not going to be able to get in just any location. Some things that you're going to want to buy are only sold at that specific location. Even if you're told that they might have it at a different place, I would not trust that. If you see something that you just cannot pass up, go ahead and buy it. Something that was available and will probably be available again is the souvenir pickup or the resort hotel delivery. Both right now are currently unavailable, but they will probably start that back up when things go more back to normal. So souvenir pickup is where you will buy something in a store and it will be delivered to a designated pickup location near the front entrance so you can pick it up as you're exiting the park. The resort hotel delivery. If you're staying at a Walt Disney World resort hotel, you can arrange to have souvenirs that you bought in the parks delivered to your hotel instead of carrying them around with you all day. Those are something you keep an eye on if you would like to buy something in the parks. You can also have your souvenirs shipped home if you don't want to pack them in your suitcase or if they're bulky. You can go to any merchandise location and they will be able to help you out with that. So this package pickup is located under Guest Services tab, which is in the Help and Rules, just in case you're wanting to look into that and keep your eye on it to see if it's going to be available when you go. So that is the Shop tab on the Walt Disney World website. Lots of things to buy. You might be able to get a better deal on it if you buy it before, and your kids are not going to know the difference, whether you buy it in the parks or whether you buy it before and give it to them while you're at the parks. And who doesn't like a good souvenir? So there's your quick intro into the Shop tab on the Walt Disney World website. Hopefully these videos are helping you guys get some information and tools that you need to be able to plan your Walt Disney World vacations. And if you found them useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. And we will see you in the next one. Bye!